With this MOOC, you will develop a totally new perspective on software design. It will change the way you program with objects. I am Stéphane Ducasse. With Luc Fabrès, Guillermo Polito and Pablo Tesson, we created this MOOC based on our academic and industrial experience designing large, complex systems such as Pharo.
As we are the main developers of the Pharo programming language, this MOOC uses it for all the code examples. However, this MOOC is relevant to any object-oriented language such as Java or C#. Then this MOOC targets any programmer, whether you are doing your first steps or you are an expert in object-oriented programming. This MOOC will empower you and help you refine your own practice.
With more than 60 videos, this MOOC is organized in 10 nearly independent modules, covering essential object-oriented concepts, design principles, software testing, design patterns, and concrete case studies. In each module, you will find lectures, case studies, exercises, and quizzes. So feel free to follow this MOOC in the order that suits you.
We love automation and tests. This is why we also present test-driven development as a design technique. We further present extreme TDD, and we show how coding in the debugger puts tests at the center of software design and increases your productivity. If you like the Pharo MOOC, you will just love advanced object-oriented design and development with Pharo. It will bring you to the next level on object-oriented design.